Channel. So today we are going to discuss about option selling. So before we start the video, I just want to clarify, right? See guys, I am a seller. Okay. Now let me tell you, discuss about some of the problems. So if you are buyer, you have certain qualities which might match you. If you are a seller, then there's more responsibility because high premium is required. One thing. So you have to be additionally very careful because of the high investment. Okay, so always see the market with the perspective of writers. Call writers is resistance, put writers is support. Okay, so this checking just one parameter in the OI, so this becomes the support, resistance, and this becomes the market. So if you are taking the positions here and here, then you are called as non-directional seller. Okay, so what is the benefit for this is in the long range you will be sustaining in the market because you will be understanding the market structure very clearly. Okay, so all you have to concentrate is call writing and put writing. Okay, so don't worry about the buying and all the structures. First learn the price action in the monthly time frame. Okay, because the higher the time frame, the more price action is stable. And then second, learn about the OI, especially writers. Okay, this is the thing you have to concentrate, and at least 5 years of backtesting is required because every year you will get only 12 chances of monthly expiry to watch, out of which 4 will be buying side, 4 will be the selling side, and 4 will be the sideways. Okay, for 4 months I'm telling. Okay, so for you to learn about sellers attitude or seller psychology, you at least need many years of backtesting. So luckily we have so many backtesting tools, so you can try backtesting and do forward testing as well. Okay, now let's move on to our subject. So first I'm going to check for is Nifty and Bank Nifty I'll check. Finnifty and Midcap Nifty you can check by yourself the same pattern. Okay, so today almost market was sideways. Compared to yesterday it was sideways today. Okay, so let's just wait. Since I have problem with my internet, I have to be a little cautious because of my internet. So let me just skip the price action part. We'll just see the chart itself. Okay, we'll take from the close. So let me check the open from my mobile and we'll discuss. So Nifty open was 150.25, 150. So let me just adjust it. Okay, so this is the open ATM. So we have the put side, we have the call side. So this shaded range is the ITM and the white range is the OTM. Okay, so you could see today the market price action is, I'll draw here. So this is the support, this is the resistance. So actually market opened up here and then it just went sideways. Okay, so close was here, open was here, and previous close was somewhere here. Okay, so this was the market structure. So you could see if this by structure itself you could see that the resistance is strong, so the ITM resistance will have the max decay. Okay, so as usual OTM will have the standard positive decay. Okay, and this is the negative decay. Okay, now let's just calculate some random. So we'll take this one. Okay, 450. So call writing 450. If you do, the decay was 10 points approximately, positive 10 points times 1 lot for Nifty is 75. So it would be a positive 750 plus tax plus brokerage. Okay, so this will be your profit. For one leg I am showing, you can take multiple legs and find out. Okay, now we'll quickly go and check for next expiry, because next expiry is the monthly expiry. Okay, so here you might see some difference. Okay, again I have problem with internet, so I'll just quickly refresh it and let me wind up quickly. Okay guys, I think I have definitely a bigger problem with my internet. Okay, there you go. So I'll just go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 57,200. Let's just wait. I'll refresh again. So let's continue. Open was 57,200. So 57,200 was the open ATM, and then you could see max decay in the call side writing ITM, and as usual decay here, but put side it is the negative decay, the max negative decay on the ITM of the put side. Okay, why? Because Bank Nifty was crashing down, close was here, open was here. Okay, I will do the premium comparison as well. Nifty open was 25,150. I'll take 25,150 on the both sides. So you could clearly see from the start sellers were winning, but at approximately 11 o'clock the ratio has changed, but at the end sellers were winning. You could see the points. Now I'll take step count of 100. We'll take 250 here, and then you could see from the start sellers were winning, but after some 11 buyers started to win, but at the end sellers had the edge. Okay, now we'll take 25k because that was a very good support, and then you could see from the very start sellers were having the upper hand. Okay, now we'll go and check for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 57,200. So let me just refresh the page again. So I'll take Bank Nifty here. So 57,200 was the open. I'll take 57,200 on the both sides, and then you could see how sellers were having the max decay because we are in the second half. So let me take 200 points step count, and then here buyers were winning. Okay, why? Because the price action has changed. So we will take 57k. Sorry, I have to take start range as 57k, and here also 57k, and then here the sellers were winning from the start. Okay, so Now we'll go and check the close range OI and we'll wind up. Okay, let me take Nifty first. You could see 652 versus 10. So here we could see the resistance is more in the market, and this is the range and this is the lot size. Okay, IV we could check here. Now we'll go to Bank Nifty. So when you check Bank Nifty, okay, so it didn't change because of my internet problem. I just have to move Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty, yes, it has changed. 113 and 204. So clearly more call writing, more resistance. Market is facing resistance. This is the range and max pain and lot size. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you.